Hello, everybody. Today we are going to take a new lesson. We are going to speak about adverbs. As we know before, that we have different parts in the sentence. We have a noun, a verb, an adjective, and we have something which is called an adverb. Let us see, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb. For example, he sings loudly. The word loudly here is an adverb. Okay, another thing, or to modify an adjective. For example, very tall. Tall here is an adjective. And the word very is an adverb. Okay, let us explain more. Adverbs help answering the questions how, when, where, and to what extent. The adverb itself helps to answer these questions how, when, where, and to what extent. Let us see. How. An adverb will provide us with how an action happens. For example, he ran quickly. How did he run? How? See, how here. How did he run? The answer is quickly. So quickly is the adverb. He slept peacefully. How did he sleep? The answer is peacefully. So the word peacefully here is an adverb. Okay? Another thing, adverbs can answer the question when. When something happens, for example, the words now, then, tomorrow, always, never, and sometimes. They show us when something happens. We can use these words to describe verbs or adjectives. For example, he is walking now. So the word now is an adverb. When he is walking, it's now. Okay? She is always happy. When is she happy? She's always happy. So the word always is an adverb. Another thing, an adverb can also answer the question where. For example, inside, outside, here, there, up, down. For example, come here. So here is an adverb, okay? It answers the question where. An adverb, another thing, an adverb can also answer the question to what extent. For example, very, almost. He is very tall. So to what extent is he tall? He's very tall. So the word very here is an adverb. Come on, we have another example here. Okay. Yesterday, we very carefully planted pretty flowers outside. We have 4 adverbs in this sentence. Come on, let us check. Where are the adverbs in this sentence? The word yesterday is an adverb which tells when did we plant the flowers. So it is answering the question when. It is yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb which tells when did we plant the flowers. The word carefully describes how we planted the flowers. We planted the flowers carefully. So it is answering the question how. Very, the word very, describes to what extent we were careful to plant the flowers. We were very careful, right? So the word very describes to what extent we were careful to plant the flowers. And outside describes where we planted the flowers. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a video about adverbs. Listen carefully, please.
Humans on planet Earth, welcome back. Today, the adverb. But what is an adverb? This is a very simple sentence with a subject and a verb. Mona explained. If you want to know how she explained, Mona explained nicely. Nicely is an adverb. You can also say Mona explained badly. Adverb adds more information about the verb, the action, time, way, place, when it happens, how it happens, and where. Examples: when, yesterday, today, now, tomorrow, later. How? Well, quickly, beautifully, carefully, quietly. Where? Here, there, everywhere, inside, outside. Tom worked yesterday. Tom worked quickly. Tom worked inside. Yesterday tells us when he worked. Quickly tells us how he worked. Inside tells us where. Tom worked quickly. Quickly is the adverb. You can put quickly after the main verb or before it. They're both correct, but one sounds better than the other. Adverb number 2 adds more information about the adjective. To what degree? To what extent? He is strong. Strong is an adjective. It describes the man. He is so strong. So is an adverb. It tells us to what degree. A little or a lot? In this case, a lot. He is so strong. Adverb number 3 adds more information about another adverb. To what degree? To what extent? She writes very nicely. Nicely is an adverb. It tells us how she writes. Very is another adverb. It tells us to what degree. They talk too loudly. Loudly is an adverb. It describes how they talk. Too is another adverb. It tells us to what degree. In this case, it's more than how it should be. Notice that some, not all, some adverbs are originally adjectives plus ly, like loud, that's an adjective, plus ly, loudly, makes it an adverb. Quickly, beautifully, carefully.
Now, please open page 7 in your new booklet. Circle the adverbs. Complete the sentences using the adverbs from the word bank. We have to read first the words in the word bank and then start answering. We have early, mouse, always, carefully, soon, helicopter, quietly, eventually, bear, near, skillfully, salmon, bus, privately, and normally. Number 1 is already done for you. Milani carefully took the eggs out of the fridge. Number 2, Andrew and Lenny blank painted the fence. Now, Andrew and Lenny skillfully painted the fence. Number 3, Mona arrived early for her riding lesson. Number 4, this is a chat we need to have privately. Number 5, they will eventually finish reading this book. Number 6, she normally takes the attendance order to the office. Number 7, Michael always gets to go with Pops to the store. Number 8, Freddie tiptoed quietly up the stairs. Number 9, the movie I want to see is coming out soon. Here it's telling me when, soon. Number 10, place the flowers in the vase near the window. It's telling us where. Okay, now your homework is on page 8. Please answer page 8. I wish you the best of luck. See you soon.